The Tyre Sensors Not Detected reset warning on your 2016 Ford Kuga indicates the TPMS isn't communicating with one or more tire sensors. This is often due to dead sensor batteries with a lifespan of 5 to 7 years, sensor malfunction, or software glitches. Common causes include dead sensor batteries that last 5 to 7 years, sensor malfunction, or software glitches. First, ensure your tires are properly inflated to the recommended PSI, usually 32 to 35 PSI. Ignoring this warning can lead to reduced fuel efficiency, handling issues, or even tire failure. Ford has released over-the-air updates since late 2023 that may help with false positives, so check if your sync system is up to date. As of 2025, TPMS issues on this model are common due to sensor age. Many owners report problems after 100,000 miles. Replacement sensors cost $50 to $100 each. There are two main methods for performing a TPMS relearn on your 2016 Ford Kuga. First, the driving-based relearn. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then, drive the vehicle at a consistent speed of 25 to 30 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes in a straight line. The system should automatically relearn the sensor IDs. If the driving method fails, use the tool-assisted relearn. You'll need an OBD2 scanner with TPMS functionality, costing $20 to $100. Connect the scanner to your Kuga's OBD2 port and follow the instructions to manually input the sensor IDs. You can use a Ford IDS tool or a generic ELM 327 scanner. If issues persist, consider replacing faulty sensors. A professional reset at a dealership has a higher success rate of 90% compared to 70% for DIY attempts.